Home Remedies presents
Only one natural oil to shrink an enlarged prostate. Many men experience the discomfort of an enlarged prostate, which can lead to frequent urination, weak streams, and a feeling of incomplete bladder emptying. But there's hope. Today we'll explore 6 natural oils that can support prostate health. Stay tuned for our top pick. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. 1. Saw palmetto oil. Saw palmetto oil is renowned for its ability to inhibit the enzyme that converts testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, a hormone linked to prostate growth. It helps shrink the prostate and alleviate symptoms like frequent urination and difficulty starting or stopping the flow of urine. How to use. Take 160 to 320 milligrams of saw palmetto extract daily. 2. Pumpkin seed oil. Rich in zinc and essential fatty acids, pumpkin seed oil helps maintain hormonal balance and reduce inflammation. Regular use can improve urinary function and reduce nighttime bathroom trips. How to use. Consume 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, either as a supplement or in food. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritation and reduce chronic inflammation associated with an enlarged prostate. Its unique composition supports overall health. How to use. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons daily for cooking or take it as a supplement. 4. Olive oil. A cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting prostate and overall health. How to use. Use as a salad dressing or cooking oil. 5. Flaxseed oil. High in omega-3 fatty acids, flaxseed oil reduces inflammation and supports a balanced hormonal environment. It also benefits cardiovascular health and cellular function. How to use. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, added to smoothies or salads. 6. Sesame oil. Sesame oil's anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants help reduce swelling and discomfort. It's a gentle yet effective support for maintaining prostate health. How to use. Use in cooking or as a salad dressing. In summary, we have explored a natural approach to managing prostate health by examining 6 potent natural oils, culminating with our number 1 pick. From the anti-inflammatory power of sesame oil to the essential omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed oil, the antioxidant-rich benefits of olive oil, and the versatile healing properties of coconut oil, each oil has its unique contribution. We then discovered the hormone-balancing and nutrient-packed qualities of pumpkin seed oil, and finally the targeted benefits of saw palmetto oil that may help shrink an enlarged prostate and alleviate troublesome symptoms. Remember, natural remedies like these can serve as an effective complement to your overall health strategy. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns or experience severe symptoms.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.